Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grant view-only access to your Chase account. Go ahead and log into your Chase account, and then go to Account Management. Select Access and Security Manager, and select Add Authorized User. You'll need an activation code, which will be sent to the email or phone number you have on file. Complete the new user information with your bookkeeper's information. Create a username of your choice. You will provide your bookkeeper with their username so they can log in. They will receive a separate email with a temporary password which they will need to respond to within 48 hours. Select if you'd like to grant them mobile access. I recommend choosing no because this isn't usually necessary. Review the information and select Submit. Under Access Level, choose See Activity Only. Unclick Employee Credit Services and press Next. That's it. Your bookkeeper will receive an email with instructions on completing their view-only access account. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave a comment so others know this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other helpful videos.